Are you ready to elevate your videos with professional, ready-to-use templates? Look no further than Envato Elements. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or business owner, these templates will save you time and make your project stand out. Today I'm sharing the best Envato Elements video templates to transform your videos. First, let's talk about intro templates. A great intro sets the tone for your video, and Envato Elements has some stunning options. Templates like cinematic titles or dynamic openers feature sleek animations and customizable text, perfect for grabbing attention in the first few seconds. Want something more modern? Check out the Glitch intro template. It's trendy, distorted effects are perfect for tech, gaming, or lifestyle content. Next up, let's explore slideshow templates. These are ideal for portfolios, event recaps, or storytelling. For something elegant and smooth, try the minimal slideshow template. It's clean, professional, and great for showcasing photography or art. For more energy, the Fast Stomp slideshow is a favorite among creators. It features quick cuts and bold typography that work perfectly for promos or social media ads. Now let's talk versatility. Envato Elements also offers logo reveal templates. These are perfect for branding your videos. A template like abstract logo animation adds a modern 3D effect to your logo, giving it a polished and memorable look. And here's a pro tip. All these templates are designed for tools like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Final Cut Pro, making them incredibly easy to customize. Don't forget transition templates. Smooth cuts between scenes can make or break your video. Templates like Seamless Transitions Pack give you cinematic wipes, zooms, and fades that instantly elevate your production quality. And if you want that futuristic vibe, try the HUD Transitions Pack. Its sci-fi inspired animations are perfect for tech reviews or gaming content. What makes Envato Elements even better? The sheer variety. With one subscription, you get unlimited access to thousands of templates, music, stock footage, and more. And every download comes with a commercial license, so you can use it worry-free in your projects. Ready to take your videos to the next level? Head over to Envato Elements and explore these incredible templates. Whether you're creating for YouTube, social media, or client work, there's a template for you. And before you go, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips to make your creative process even easier. Happy editing!